Is it the right time to buy or sell the VOO ETF? Welcome back. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the VOO ETF. We previously shared a report on our website, but now we have an even more detailed analysis just for you. Don't forget to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, hitting the like button, and turning on the notification bell. It's essential to stay informed about any news that could impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has ranked VOO as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. VOO has actually exceeded our expectations, with a gain of 13.03% since we first recommended buying it 58 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has been returning 0.22% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Considering the latest developments, we are uncertain about the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The ETF is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further gains. Based on the past 3 months, there is a potential 12.92% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 10.85% to 15.21%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 16.96% change over the next year, with a potential return between 1.98% and 17.5%. This means that the price could range from $460.43 to $530.52 after a year. Our latest update on the VOO ETF brings a notable headline: VOO ETF downgraded from buy candidate to hold/accumulate after Monday's trading session. The VOO ETF price showed a gain of 0.727% during the last trading day on Monday, January 29, 2024. It rose from $448.23 to $451.49. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.87%, reaching a low of $447.71 and a high of $451.61. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 3.08% increase over the last 2 weeks. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by -524,000 shares. In total, 4 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.00 billion. It's worth considering that a decline in volume with rising prices could indicate a divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $451.61, while the lowest price reached $349.76. At present, the price is 0.03% or $0.120 below the 52-week high of $451.61, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. Let's take a look at the signals for VOO. The VOO ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support expected at the levels of $446.77 and $436.07. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Thursday, January 4, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 5.14% increase so far. The stock is expected to continue rising until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is also indicating a buy signal. It is important to note that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning sign, and it is advised to closely monitor the ETF. Today, I will be sharing with you some interesting signals to look out for in your trading strategy. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It recently showed a buy signal. Another indicator to consider is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 17 days ago. Bollinger Bands also provided a buy signal just 1 day ago. On the other hand, the short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 10 days ago. However, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 60 days ago. In terms of the relationship between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 56 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart for further insights. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 10 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 54 days ago. When considering the relationship between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 43 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. When it comes to support, VOO has found a strong level at $434.01. This means that when the stock's price reaches this level, it is expected to bounce back up. So, if you're looking for a buying opportunity, keep an eye on this support level. In terms of risk, VOO is known for its controlled movements. This means that its price tends to change gradually and predictably. Additionally, with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Now, let's talk about the ETF's volatility. In the past day, VOO had a price range of $3.90, which is equivalent to 0.87% of its value. Over the last week, the average daily volatility has been around 0.644%. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for VOO. We start by analyzing the resistance levels. Interestingly, there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This suggests that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. As a day trader, this is an opportunity you might want to consider. Keep a close eye on the volume patterns to help you determine when to exit your position. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $434.01. If this support level holds, it could serve as a potential entry point for a rebound trade. By entering at this level, you can anticipate a price increase and aim to profit from the subsequent upward movement. In this video, we'll discuss our recommended stop loss for this ETF, which is set at $431.13, representing a decrease of 4.51%. This ETF has a tendency to experience low daily movements, making it a lower risk option. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 currently stands at 79, which significantly increases the risk involved. We've also identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 16 days ago, adding to the potential value of this investment. Is VOO ETF a good buy? While VOO shows some positive signals, we believe it may be more prudent to consider it as a hold candidate at this time. We recommend holding or accumulating this position while we await further development. However, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Tuesday, January 30th, we anticipate VOO to open down -$1.22 and commence trading at $450.27. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? We're eager to hear from you. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for being a part of Stock Invest.